What is up? I'm Clutch Marles, and we got a package from Indycnc. Let's open it up and see what we got. This is their new cell phone mount for in the Derby. You weld this or bolt it to your car. I got it backwards. You weld this into your car, you bolt your phone into it, and then you can go live or film the Derby. And it's pretty simple to use, self-explanatory. So if you want something to film the Derbies and hold your phone during a Derby, check out Indycnc.com. More importantly, if you need something to hold your drinks while you're in a Derby, they got you covered on that too. Check them out, Indycnc.com. Follow them on Facebook and TikTok, and let's fucking go.